Hey guys, Ali here. Welcome to my channel Solid Trades. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use multiple time frames like a pro. And in this video, you'll be learning what are and how to use multiple time frames to find a perfect entry. Okay? How to make good risk to reward trades. When I say good risk to reward trades is when you were risking or when you're entering in a trade, if you're risking $100, you want to make more than $100. So if you're losing $100, you want to make maybe $200 to $300 or even more. Okay, so you want to find those setups. How to find high probability setups? So when I say high probability, that when you enter into a trade, it works more than 50% or 60 or 70% of the time. Okay, not every single trade is going to work every single time, no matter how amazing the setup is. That's just a game of trading, but you can find setups that works most of the time, and that's what you want to be in. And why professional traders use it as well. Every single professional trader use multiple time frames, period. There is no way that you can trade or you can make money consistently in the stock market without using multiple time frames. If you're not using it, immediately start using it. And this is the recipe to make solid trade. Okay, and that's what my whole channel is about, how to make solid trades every single time. All right, so let's get into it. So this is a stock of SRNE. The stock went up over 200% in just one day. And we're looking at the 4 time frames. This is a 1-minute chart. This is a 5-minute chart. This is a daily chart, which is the most important chart, by the way. And this is the 15-minute chart. So as a professional trader, you need to be looking at different time frames for a stock to get into a perfect entry. Okay, I use 1-minute chart to find an entry, but then I also use 5-minute daily and the 15-minute chart, the other 3 charts, to look for the overall trend and make sure that the trade that I'm looking in a 1-minute chart is gonna work most of the time. Now the psychology behind, which is by the way the most important part of this video, okay, there are different kinds of traders in the stock market. There are traders who trade solely from the 1-minute chart, so they'll be looking at the 1-minute chart and looking for a good entry. There are traders who are looking at the 5-minute chart and looking for a good entry, but then there are traders looking at the 15-minute chart for a good entry. Now imagine, what if every single trader finds an entry all at the exact same time? And that's what I'm going to show you. So if you look at the 1-minute chart, there's a trend break. Okay, so a lot of people are going to be buying at this area. Similarly in the 5-minute, now similarly at the 15-minute chart, there's a moving average, 9 moving average, which is a very important moving average on the 15-minute chart, looking and acting as a support, as you can see. So the 15-minute traders are entering at this area. The 1-minute people are entering at this area. The 5-minute people are entering at this area. And the 15-minute people are entering this area. They're all entering at the same time. Okay? And if you can see that, if you can predict it in real time, if you can see every single chart is showing a buying zone or buying area all at the same time, it means there are going to be way more buyers all converging at the same time. Okay, and that's what causes this huge move on the upside. Look, on the 1-minute chart, people are making money. On the 5-minute chart, people are making money. On the 15-minute chart, people are making money. Okay, and that's what causes a huge run. This stock went up 100% in just half hour. Okay, now talking about the risk to reward ratio. If you enter in this area, your stop loss is just right below this level. So if it goes down and if it doesn't work, which it does happen sometimes, even in the strongest setup, it does happen, okay? And if it doesn't work, you get out and take a very teeny tiny loss. But if it does work, you take a huge move, right? And that's the whole idea behind a 15-minute or 5-minute or a 1-minute all converging at the same time. This is by far one of the most powerful strategy that I use. If you're not looking at multiple time frames, you will miss great opportunity. Now don't take my word on it. Go to your charting platform, open it up, set up a multiple time frame setup, okay? And then go to multiple charts, go to multiple stocks, different single stocks, Netflix, all the big stock, Facebook, Apple, and see if it works for you. And then once it works, once you see that how it's working, then plan your own strategy. Okay, I just gave you a blueprint. Plan your own strategy, adjust it to your trading style, and then implement it. I promise you, if you do this, you will make money consistently in the stock market. I promise. All right. So with that note, let's end this video, and I'll see you next time.